Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can manage comment notification on Facebook. Maybe you want to manage comment notification on Facebook, so you want to manage it. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can manage notification on comment on Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into your home page. What you need to do is to tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down and you will see here Settings and Privacy. Tap on this drop-down button and you can also tap on these settings. After that, you will see the Preferences. Under the Preferences, you will see the notification. Tap on the notification and you will see here the comments. Simply tap on these comments. In here, you can control your notification of comments. And here, where you receive this notification. If you don't want push notification for comments, simply toggle the button to turn this off. There you go. If you wanted to know how to manage comment notification on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage comment notification on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.